Greetings and salutations, Playmo pals. Welcome to another episode of Playmo AF's Unbagging Videos. Today we're taking a look at Playmobil the movie figures. Or at least one of them. Let's get to it. And welcome back, everyone. For this week's episode, we are going to be taking a look at one figure from the Playmobil movie line of clickies, mystery clickies, that is. This has been in my closet for quite a few years, I think since 2019. I happened to walk into a dollar store in Virginia one day and found a box load of Playmobil the movie clickies, and just grabbed a whole bunch of them. Unfortunately, about 6, maybe 7 of them were the Dex Rasher, or was it, what's the name? Rex Dasher. Oh boy, I got all the letters mixed up there. Rex Dasher figures. So I had a whole bunch of extra pieces, and so I've pretty much used them all by now. But anyway, as you can see on the packaging, we have Marla and Del, Rex, oh gosh, the brother took on the body of a Viking. What is his name? Oh my gosh. Okay, we're gonna have to skip it, but anyway, this was his character. And then we have the robot here that we saw at the beginning of the movie. This, of course, is the in-1980s version of that same robot. This is the original. Still happy to have him. Unfortunately, I am missing the little attachments that were clipped onto the back of his head, and the new one only comes with the little antenna piece that you see there. This is wave 1, or series 1, of the Playmobil the movie figures set, and of course, like the regular mystery figures, there's 12 to collect. I already know which one is in here. I actually have this figure already, but I disassembled it to create a custom figure, and I did the field test, and we're gonna check it out and see who's in here. I'll give you a hint. It's the caveman. And I need this figure for a particular reason. I kind of was, although I really liked the figure that I made, I really wanted to have the figure still. There's an arm. Well, you guys already know who it is. And that is, whoops, it is the, whoa, I forgot about all these other pieces here. It is the caveman. And I'm pretty sure he had a name in the movie, but I just don't remember it. So the movie wasn't all too good. The movie itself is fantastic, but it didn't do too well at all in theaters or even on streaming services. I thought it was fantastic. I thought the musical numbers were fun and memorable. I found myself humming the tunes afterward. My grandkids liked the movie quite a bit, and I actually ended up buying the movie myself on streaming on Vudu. Well, now it's Fandango at home, I believe. And yeah, every once in a while I'll watch it, but I mostly might have it on just to have, some sound. We got quite a bit of pieces here, as you can see. It doesn't look offhand like I have any duplicates. I forgot that we get a shield with this character. And I love the fact that he's got this headdress on of a deer. I almost said moose. It almost kind of looked moose-esque a bit without the antlers. I love how tall he is, but because of how tall he is, I can't display him on my little figure shelf unless I put him on the top shelf. And then I wouldn't really say he's a caveman, because cavemen I don't think had nicely carved and sharpened axes and shields. Painted arms, as you can see, a nicely sculpted clothing on the body, like you could run your fingernail across it and you can tell it's a separate. It's a second mold, a molding on the skin, which is very cool. Playmobil has its way of paying a lot of attention to detail and surprising me from time to time with their sculpts and the amount of detail that they put into it. He wears this animal skin here on the back. Kind of looks like a beaver. Not quite like a deer. And then, of course, the headdress here is very cool. Again, you guys didn't paint the eyes. I just don't understand why they don't paint the eyes. Anyway, but that's it. I don't really have any much to say about it, although I just do think it's a fantastic figure and a kind of a cool figure to army build with. It might, of course, go with different hairstyles and faces, of course, and stuff like that. But other than that, I think it's a fine looking figure. So we'll be delving into other Playmobil the movie figures in the future, not individually wrapped ones, mind you, but because this is, I think this was the last one of the ones I got. Actually, no, I have another one of these somewhere, but I'm not going to open it. I think I'm probably going to sell it or give it to somebody. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. And also, you can follow us on Instagram. Check us out at playmo.af. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching. We will see you again next week. I forgot to mention it comes with a sticker. This is how he looked in the movie. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Playmobil the movie, blah 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 blah, 2019. That's it.